If your HVAC Delta T is rising during heating, it usually means something's off with the airflow and you gotta check it before things get worse. Okay, so Delta T is just the temperature difference between the air going into your heater and the air coming out. When you're running your heat, a steady Delta T is totally normal and shows your system is working fine. But if you notice that Delta T climbing up over time, that's a red flag for low airflow. Low airflow can happen if your blower fan isn't spinning right or if your filters are clogged with dust and dirt. Also, dirty or frozen coils can mess things up by blocking air from flowing properly. The fix? Start by swapping out those air filters if they look grimy. Then check that blower fan to make sure it's running smoothly without noise or shaking. Cleaning the evaporator coil can help too, especially if it's covered in gunk or ice. Keeping airflow steady stops the system from overheating or shutting down for safety, which nobody wants. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC Delta T problems is ignoring rising temperature differences and thinking it's no big deal. This can cause serious damage over time. Another common issue is skipping regular filter changes, which chokes airflow and jacks up Delta T values super fast. Lastly, not inspecting or cleaning the blower motor and coils regularly means buildup goes unnoticed, leading to system strain and safety shutdowns. To fix these, keep an eye on your HVAC's Delta T by checking temperatures with a simple thermometer or thermostat readings. Change filters every 1 to 3 months, depending on use and pets. And schedule a professional tune-up at least once a year to clean coils and inspect the blower for smooth operation. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff for HVAC fixes and more. Contractors also find steady work through BigHomeProjects.com, connecting them with folks who need quality help around the house without all the hassle.